guys, Marco Colbert, Speedokote Refinish Network. We got my buddy's older Honda Civic in here today. We're gonna do another headlight restoration demonstration. A couple things you're gonna need for the job. Variable sprayable options. I have my Awada. You don't have to be that expensive. You can use anything from a loadable aerosol can system, which they sell at Home Depot for $6, and load in whatever kind of clear coat you want. You can use a Harbor Freight gun because it's just a headlight. A Harbor Freight gun would be okay in this instance. Optional again, a DA sander. They're $28 on eBay. You can just sand it by hand if you want to as well. The Speedokote Production Glamour Clear, I like it because it dries really quick. So, and it's also got a lot of UV protectants in it as well, and it's going to have a superior gloss, which is going to give you a good OEM look and finish like it was never touched. Optional as well, you can honestly use a garden hose. We got this little pump sprayer. These are $5, not expensive, just to go ahead and spray the headlight while we're sanding it. The first step, I usually like to take a wet microfiber, and just in case you got any like really rough dirt in the headlight, spray off a microfiber. Go ahead and wipe the headlight. A lot cleaner than what they were. And now we're gonna go ahead and move on to, we're gonna go ahead and mask off all this area here and get ready to spray them. All right, so we got our first two right there, and then we're gonna come to the second two. And bam, 3 to 1. All right, I think this is good enough to load again.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
That's about it. We did hit it with about 3 coats of Glamour Clear, and came out pretty exceptional. And you know, once again, guys, this is an easy job that everybody can do. You know, providing you have the minimal skill set and the minimal tools to go ahead and do it.